Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, go hit that button below and like. So comment some challenges if you want, or some videos, or whatever. So let's get started. So what we're going to do today is how to get your cameras blurred for physically or for photo shoots for your iPhone, whatever, or iPod. So I've changed place because it's kind of dark. So what you're going to need is lipstick or lotion. What kind of lipstick? If it's lip gloss, whatever. Just a lipstick. So I'm using this. Sorry guys. I'm using Maybelline New Year, what's that? New Year Baby Lips. So it's Rose Addict. No, this. Baby Lips. Baby. So you're gonna get some lipstick in your hand, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. And then you're gonna put it in your camera. Okay, so it's like that. So it's blurred. So you can actually see me because it's blurred. So when I take off of it, just wait a minute. Okay, there. Okay, so that's the end of the video, and goodbye. Cause I'm gonna say sorry because it's kind of short, but give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment some DIY hacks or challenges you want. Bye.